Welcome back to my channel, Manual Focus, and today we're making some tender, juicy fried mustard wings. So you want to know the key of some nice, flavorful wings? It's all in the seasoning. So you want to generously season these wings in this step. Don't be afraid to use season. And what I got right here and what I'm using is some Chicka Licka Bam Bam, and you can find that at your local grocer. It's a nice season, all-purpose seasoning for chicken, and I'm gonna put that in the description below. The star of your dish is gonna be the mustard, and you're probably thinking, mustard, it's probably gonna taste like mustard after I fry these bad boys, and the answer to that question is absolutely not. So mustard is a binding agent, so it's going to act as a binding agent for all that seasoning that you put into your wings, and it's going to be a tenderizer. So you want to make sure that you let these wings sit and marinate for at least 30 minutes. If you want to do it further than that, hey, feel free. Now you see those wings coming out after they marinate, and what you want to do in the step is lightly dust those wings first, so you can pick them up and you're not losing any of that mustard on your glove or on your hand. So I'm gonna take you into a closer shot, and you see me right here dusting that wing. So then I'm able to pick it up and then coat that whole entire wing. And you want to get in all the crevices, so when you put that thing in the fryer, it's coming out juicy, tender, and crispy. Now what you want to do is you want to get a cooling rack, and you want to set this on the cooling rack and let it rest for 10 minutes. And I'm gonna go ahead and tell you why you let it rest for 10 minutes. So you want to make sure, again, that you're giving your chicken enough time for it to bind with the flour, and again with that mustard, it's still tenderizing. So when you place it in that fryer, it's coming out juicy and tender. So that's the key to some nice wings. Here's another tip to some nice wings. You want to make sure, first of all, you got some clean oil. Now we're going to preheat our oil at 350 degrees. Once it's ready to go, we dropping those wings in and letting them fry until they're golden brown and they reach the internal temperature 165 degrees. So now, again, let me tell you about these fried mustard wings. You're cooking that flavor, that mustard out of it. It's just a tenderizer, but it's going to be nice, juicy, and crispy. Top it off with some hot sauce. I'm a sauce guy, Texas Pete, and I'm telling you, man, these wings are fantastic. All right, so there you have it, mustard fried chicken, quick recipe, not that many ingredients, but there you have it there. And you know you gotta have that hot sauce, so we're gonna dip that bad boy in that hot sauce like that. Ooh, look at that, look at that. I know you hear that crunch. Woohoo! That thing is delicious, man. And if you're new to the channel, smash that subscribe button, and we'll see you guys later, man. I'm gonna go ahead and chow down on this. Peace.